Hello everyone, welcome to the orientation of Finance and Investment Cell, Shriram College of Commerce. I am Sania Madan. I am currently serving as the president of FIC. I was really hoping that we could conduct this process in person and get to know each other better, but since the situation doesn't allow it, our team will try its best to make your experience a memorable one, as it was for us as juniors. FIC not only introduced us to the world of finance, but also helped us to make the best of friends, connections that we truly cherish, and bonds that will last beyond our college days. FIC has been an indispensable part of our first year, and we are honored to continue being a part of it. From attending research sessions to organizing large-scale events like EPISTEAM, from interacting with great speakers to publishing our own work, FIC gave us a platform to grow in the most beautiful way possible. It has also allowed us to interact with the brightest of minds and learn from various experiences. I don't think I would have been able to meet the team that I work with without FIC. Online college wasn't something any of us expected, but FIC sure made it worth it. With that said, I welcome you all. Here's to making sure your journey at SRCC is a fulfilling one. I would now like to introduce you to Manasvi, Vice President of FIC.
Hello, everyone. On behalf of the 17 members of our cabinet, I can proudly say that FIC is not just a society, but a platform for multifaceted development, as well as a place where you make relations that last a lifetime. There is no person in this cabinet who has not felt exhilarated, anxious, thrilled at the same time. The essence of FIC has always been lively interaction, from organizing national level fests to playing online games with seniors. We have done it all. With numerous opportunities to learn from, FIC sure has been instrumental in channelizing our passion for growth and learning. Taking the decade-long legacy of FIC forward, we will try our best in making your first year as a junior executive member here enriching as well as memorable. That being said, here's a short video to familiarize you with the Finance and Investment Cell, SRCC.
दिल की धड़कन से तो आए जाना हमारी सब के हो जाए आना बिस्तर धोरे तो कैसे सोए जाना बिस्तर धोरे लोरी सुनाना
Hello everyone. We have been getting a lot of requests that since the maximum limit has been reached, a lot of people are not able to join. So we are sending a Gmeet link in the chat box. Kindly share it with your friends. They can join it there and attend the orientation.
Hi everyone, I hope you all are safe and sound amidst this pandemic. Before I start, I would like to tell you something about the Finance and Investment Cell. This is a cell that has a place for everyone. If you're somebody who loves researching, creating content, networking, communicating, you will find all of that here, and you get a chance to link it with the world of finance. Next slide, Khushi. So this is the team that is currently serving as the FIC cabinet for the year 2021 to 2022. So I'll tell you a little bit about the Finance and Investment Cell. The cell was started back in 2009 with the main aim of facilitating knowledge sharing in the field of finance and investment. So we cover lots of topics in economics, geopolitics, behavioral theories, and many more. They're covered in the unique FIC learning style. It is a research-oriented society which has more than enough opportunities for every member to gather knowledge and learn through individual and group activities, which leads you to make bonds that last forever. The cell believes in having diverse teams, and that's why we work in a cross-functional manner. That is, we are a wingless society, which will enable you to have exposure to as many things as you want to. So today I will be telling you about the research-oriented activities that we carry out. The next slide, Khushi. Yeah. So when we talk, the first research activity that we have are the research sessions. Now, this is an intra activity which is exclusively for the members of the cell. These are conducted and organized by us, the seniors. And the purpose of these sessions is to expose you to the core concepts of finance, cover current affairs, decode industries together. Some of the ones that we'll be having this year include a detailed one on 2008 financial crisis, and we'll also be looking at derivatives in great depth. We also have research papers. As the name suggests, we pick up a particular topic and we provide a very comprehensive outlook to the same. We have newsletters. So we have 4 categories under our newsletters. We have mergers and acquisitions, deconstruct, fintech, and geopolitical outlook. We take up an interesting, relevant topic under any of these categories, and we present a very well-researched analytical newsletter that will give the readers valuable insights. The blog, this is the place for you. You get a chance to explore and whatever you want to, whichever topic you want to, from the world of fashion to cryptocurrency. Just it has to be interlinked with finance. FIC's blog has a reach of more than 40,000, and combined with our social media, we reach out to 60,000 people. We believe in undertaking new initiatives, and as juniors, you will be given a chance to start something new on your own in the society. The FIC cabinet this year has started 2 research-oriented activities already. So we have it in focus. This is a monthly newsletter. It covers all important news of business, finance, international happenings, and everything else. It decodes any financial topic which is spreading financial literacy among our readers, and it also looks at a particular industry and the worst and the best stocks of the month. We've also recently launched our equity research report. So we pick up a company and we carry out both qualitative and quantitative analysis of the same. We have published a very well-researched report on HUL in the month of November. Now I would like Anirudh to take the session forward.
We at FIC organize fests and events at the university level throughout the year. Our 2 main fests are Finergy, the Research Festival, and Episteme, which is the annual fest. Serving as the hallmark of an enriching learning experience, Finergy is being organized for more than a decade now. In spite of being online, Finergy 2021 witnessed an enthusiastic response from over 2,500 participants. We had participants from some of the most prestigious institutions across India, like the IITs and the IIMs. Next slide, please. Finergy 2021 comprised of 3 events: Envision the Research Paper Competition, Kasarle Kasa Case Study Competition, and Shriram Financial League, an event exclusively designed for high school students. After 2 rigorous rounds, the shortlisted teams get the opportunity to present their case studies and research papers to a panel of esteemed judges and industry leaders. For Kasarle Kas, this year we worked in collaboration with EIMA Case Research Center, who exclusively designed the case study for the final round. Collaborations have indeed been a catalyst in the successful conduct of Finergy, and this year we collaborated with esteemed organizations like Angel One, CoinDCX, and Mama. As a result, the prizes for Finergy this year were valued over 1 lakh rupees. Finergy 2021 wasn't just about these 3 events. It included 4 speaker sessions and a research session as well by industry experts. So to conclude, Finergy, being FIC's research festival, is graced by the participation of students from top-notch colleges and industry leaders, and is conducted at a massive scale. Here's a small video summarizing Finergy 2021.
I'm hoping what we do. Currencies in terms of
set of 15 questions and we can there are a couple only
So you got an idea how grand Finergy is, but we have something even bigger and even more fun than Finergy. Most important and the largest fest of FIC is its annual fest, that is Episteme. Episteme usually has over 6 to 7 events ranging from everything to anything: made, core finance, economics, stock market simulation, policy formation. Every year we have our 2 flagship events. First one being Better Debt, which is an event revolving around bidding and prudent decision making. Better Debt is the most exciting and fun event under Episteme. Our second flagship event is Menace at Metropolis, which is a stock simulation competition revolving around negotiation and trading of stocks and derivatives. Believe me, while organizing Menace, you will feel as if you have landed on the Lal Street. Talking in brief about 4 other events that we as juniors ideated in Episteme were Genus, a business simulation event revolving around gambling, of course, a healthy gambling, Sriram Paramash, a case study competition, Sriram Finance Challenge, an event which had put both organizers as well as the participants into the shoes of Wall Street barons, wherein they had to control millions. And lastly, we had Conciliatus, which revolved around the world of policy. Apart from our 2 flagship events, we add 4 to 5 new events every year, which you guys will be designing. Yes, the junior team of FIC ideates about these events from scratch. So you will have complete authority to structure and design the event in the best and the most interesting manner. Not just ideation, you will be the ones leading these events as event heads, which is a great opportunity as first years. Designing an event from scratch and finally witnessing its success is indeed an emotional and proud moment. Episteme witnesses a participation of over 15,000, wherein you get a chance to learn and interact with people from top-notch colleges and B schools. This is the platform that provides you hands-on experience, builds your personality, and above all makes you a great team player. And the best thing, we even have an after party that too completely sponsored by the cabinet. But let's not discuss that right now. To conclude, I'll just say for me personally, Episteme was a ride full of fun, emotions, hard work, and everlasting relationships. Moving on, I'll now ask Nikita, the editor-in-chief of FIC, to take over.
Hi everyone. So the next event that we had conducted was the FIC Research Fellowship. So in July, we conducted the second edition of the FIC Research Fellowship, a one-of-a-kind fellowship into the finance, economics, and geopolitics field. Its aim was to inculcate financial literacy in school students, that is, students between the grades of 9 and 12. This year, we had over 1,000 registrations and conducted various activities, including research sessions on various topics like of finance and economy, like financial markets, financial crisis, behavioral economics, etc. A few interactive sessions and activities were conducted as well. We had an intra-FRF competition, which was called the Trading Champion. It was a virtual trading competition in which participants had to invest in the stock market using virtual money. We had a number of mentor group sessions, informal meets, and discussions as well. At the end of the fellowship, participants were given a task of writing an article, the best of which got the opportunity to be published on our official website and the handles of FIC SRCC. Some of you present here might have also been a part of it and experienced it all firsthand. Now, coming to Vitta. So, FIC is known for its research in fields like economics, geopolitics, and finance. Every year, we publish the annual finance journal of FIC SRCC, which is Vitta. Vitta is a culmination of thoughts, ideas, and information which provides readers with great insights regarding worldly happenings, finance concepts, geopolitics, and so much more. The best part is definitely the fact that all articles, infographics, newsletters, and reports published are written, researched, and edited solely by the members of the society itself. We like to think of it as a year in review, as it has both the old and new topics that range from different time periods to different locations. It has opinionated pieces, informative pieces, abstracts, and primary research articles as well. Vitta has a massive reach across Delhi University. It's well liked and well known across colleges. You can find the magazine in our college library, and it's also available online on our website. Vitta is really special. It has a demonstrated history since it has been in publication for over 10 years now. So every year we try to shake it up a little by changing the sections, adding new content. This year, we added a really cool infographic section, so I would definitely suggest all of you to check it out on our website. The magazine in itself is about 150 pages long, with approximately 50 articles and expert opinion pieces as well. It's overall a lot of fun, from writing the articles to editing them, designing the journal, to seeing all our efforts finally bear fruit in the form of the journal. This year's journal was super exciting as it was launched by none other than the cluster CEO of Standard Chartered, Ms. Zareen Taruwala. Last year also, we were extremely fortunate to have Mr. Narayan Murthy, founder of Infosys, launch our magazine. Now we have a small video to show you what the magazine looks like.
FIC SRCC has its own website, which is a digital hub of all the work that we perform. All the articles that our members write, all the articles that you're going to write, the research reports, papers, newsletters, etc. get published on our website. We have our own mobile app as well. It's been around for like 3 years now and is regularly updated. You can get it on the Play Store. It's got everything about FIC. It's got the website blog, all the publications, and it's even got with basically every information around FIC you can find on the application itself. And the cool thing is that we were actually the first society in the entire university to come up with our own app. In fact, we were the first one to come up with our own website as well. Next slide, please. Overall, FIC SRCC has some of the best collaborations, not only within the college, but across the university as well. Through Shriram Financial Forum, which are our speaker session series, we aim to impart knowledge to students by conducting informative sessions by esteemed speakers, through educational visits to the RBI, the World Bank, etc. We wish that from this year, we can resume these offline visits too.
Now, coming over to the speaker sessions under Shriram Financial Forum, as well as our events, Episteme, Finergy, as mentioned earlier, is another initiative of ours. Here, we invite dignified personalities from fields such as finance, geopolitics, banking, etc., to share their valuable experiences and knowledge with you all. Esteemed speakers, as you all can see on your screen, have all been part of a session, like Mr. Dinesh Soni, the Senior Vice President of NSC, Mr. Varun Sridhar, the CEO of Paytm Money, Mr. Ajit Ranade, the Group Executive President and Chief Economist of Aditya Birla Group, etc. Here, you not only get to listen to their insights, but you also get to interact with all of them. You can ask questions from them through the Q&A sessions that we have at the end of our sessions. You can have discussions with them, get to know their opinion on various things, which is a huge honor and privilege in itself. We genuinely hope to have more of such sessions with you all. Further, you would get the opportunity to tap all of these people too. Next slide, please. Now, coming over to past sponsorships, as you can see on your screens, we've had numerous reputed organizations as sponsors for Episteme, Finergy, Vita, FRF, like Amazon, EY, Boat, HDFC, Mama Earth, Angel One, CoinSwitch, Cooper, etc. Again, during your tenure too, you will be reaching out to all these organizations and experience it all by yourself.
Now that we have told you all about the ins and outs of FIC, let's discuss why you should choose to be a part of the society and how it will be beneficial to you. First and foremost, it will give you a holistic development. You will be able to learn various new skills like researching, writing, organizing, working in a team, bringing in sponsors, and much more. Through FIC, you'll be given a platform to network with like-minded people in your college as well as in Delhi University. You'll be able to hold lively discussions with those interested in the same fields as you are, as well as learn through interacting with a diverse set of members within the society. Most importantly, our society facilitates all its members to educate themselves in the fields of finance, economics, and geopolitics. However, the best part of FIC is that it is suitable to all kinds of personalities, and every junior member will be given the opportunity to work however they feel best comfortable. For example, if you are an introvert who doesn't like to indulge in too much interaction, you can focus all your efforts on research, content creation, publications, etc. If you are someone who enjoys interactions and enjoys working with people, you can work towards organizing sponsorships and much more. And of course, you can have a mix and match of both and cover all aspects. Clearly, the most important part of your time in the society will be your willingness to learn, work, and contribute your efforts however it best suits you. Finally, coming to the recruitment process, it's going to be pretty simple and straightforward. The first stage is the application form, which is going to be eliminative. Since we do not expect you guys to have a lot of prior knowledge on the world of finance or economics, the form is not going to be a very challenging one. It is just to test your aptitude and your willingness to learn. The only advice we will give you is for you to take your time, fill the form sincerely and seriously, do a bit of research wherever it is required, and be honest in your answers. The second round will be a creative round wherein you'll be given a choice between two very simple analytical or creative tasks. Further details of the tasks will be shared with those who will be shortlisted after the first application form round. The creative task stage will be evaluative, which means that it will be judged and is essential for the final round, which will be the personal interview. However, there is completely no reason to be worried for the personal interview because we know that you as juniors do not have a lot of experience giving any interviews. So it's going to be absolutely conversational. The only advice we have here is to just be yourself. Again, I'd like to mention you do not need to prepare anything for the interview because we don't expect you to have any prior knowledge. You will just be judged on the basis of how much you want to learn. The application form is open now. You can scan the QR code to access it. Moreover, we'll be uploading it on our social media handles, as well as you can find it on the website of FIC SRCC. Finally, these are the numbers of some of the cabinet members. In case you have any doubts or queries after today's session, you can reach out to us. Moreover, you can send in a mail through on our official email ID as well. Make sure you visit us on all our social media channels for all the updates, and you can visit our website as well as download the app as well. So I'm opening the QR code as well. So this is all from our side. The session is over now. So thank you so much for joining.